So this is the air fryer we bought day before yesterday, and it's called Gourmia. It's from Gourmia. We bought it from Costco. We wanted to buy it from Amazon, but the price was showing there around 58 pounds. Later on, we went to Costco and bought it with around 35 pounds. In this video, I'm gonna try and show you how does it function, what are the options, and how do you cook or how do you fry food with this air fryer. Now you can see this is the main chamber where you will put your food, and there are two other pieces, trays. I'll show you. These are the two racks or two trays you have to put inside. You have to put main chamber. You have to put this or insert this tray. Oops. Okay, that's in one. If you want to insert more food, you can use this tray also, like this. You have to put food on that particular tray, and when that's full, then you can add it there and put more food on this for frying. The trays, let's put this chamber inside. Now let's turn this on. There's a 3-pin flat plug which I already plugged in. Let's switch it on. So when you switch it on, you will get the power button on the display. This is a touch responsive display, digital display, and when you touch it, then the whole panel comes up and you can see that it's on. And there are so many options for cooking, frying: air fry, fries, wings, bacon, reheat, dehydrate, keep warm, broil, roast, bake. And their main options are here also: preheat, stop, cancel. This is the main power button, start and turn reminder. Now what you have to do for cooking something, you have to press preheat, then the preheat indicator light will flash here in red. Then when it is preheated, then it will ask for the food to be inserted into the chamber. And when you put the food in the chamber, you have to, before that, you have to select the type of the fries you want to have. It can be fries, it can be wings. It depends on the type of the food. So when you select the, suppose you want to do some hash brown, you want to fry hash browns. So what you have to do is you first you have to select the fries, and then you have to tap preheat, and then you have to tap start. Then the cooking process will start and the preheating will be on. And when the preheating is finished, then it will ask for your fries to be inserted, for your hash browns to be inserted. Then you will put the hash browns inside, and then it will start the cooking process for 15 minutes. And if you before starting the cooking, if you tap this turn reminder thing, which is very helpful, then in the middle of the cooking it will beep and it will tell you to turn the food. Then you will take out the chamber, main chamber, and turn the hash browns, and then you put it back again, and it will start cooking again. And when it is finished, it will beep again and show on the display that the cooking process has been ended. That's it. We will show in a short. Now, as you can see, we put some baking papers inside just to ensure that things don't get messy. You can also do it without the baking paper. It's not a very necessary thing, but we did it. We put the baking paper so that it doesn't get messy. We are putting in the main chamber. turn it on. The panel is here. Now we will do the wings. We will select wings, then preheat is flashing and turn is flashing, which means it is already turned. I mean, these two options are already enabled, the turn and the preheat. So now I will press preheat. Oh no, sorry, it went away. Okay, I am pressing preheat, so it is already enabled, and I will press start. So it's preheating now. When the preheat is complete, then it will beep and tell me to insert the food. So, well, the preheat is done, and he asked us to put the food inside, but we missed to capture that. So we put all the chicken inside the main chamber, and now I'm putting this back inside. So you can see it resumed. So it's supposed to be cooked for 25 minutes, and when it will be 12.5 minutes, then it will beep again and it will ask us to turn over the food. So let's see. After 30 seconds, it's supposed to beep and tell me to turn the food over. And one more thing, hot air comes out from the back of this machine, so you should keep some space on the back of the fryer. It's recommended. Now let's see, 10 seconds to go. Oh, turn the food. Okay, now we have to turn the food, and what you have to do is simply just take the tray out. Oh wow. And you have to turn the food, turn each piece around. The chamber is very hot, so you have to be careful. So it's done. Now we have to put it back again. It resumes again. So let's wait for the result. Hopefully after 12.5 minutes the cooking will be done. While it's frying, let me share some information with you. The other day I was frying the hash browns and I used the preset mode, and the preset mode's timing was 15 minutes. And when I started the hash brown frying, I measured the electricity bill it consumed, electricity units it consumed, and it was around 0.72 unit. And now I know it's not accurate because at the time of measuring that unit, my freezer was on and the television was also on, so it's not accurate, but you can guess. You can understand how much energy it consumes. Almost done. 33 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go now. Let's hope for a good result. The end. Oh, looks nice, isn't it? Unfortunately, the frying wasn't done properly, so we put it back again for another 15 minutes of reheating. The option is there, you just press reheat and then just press start. Then it will again start reheating, and as you can see on the display, it's already reheating, and 13 minutes left, 13 and a half minutes left. Oh, during reheating it doesn't tell you to turn the food when it's halfway. Seven seconds to go. After 5 seconds the reheating will be finished, and it's done. this out. I hope this is done properly now. Yes, now it's done. It's dried enough. No extra masalas are there. It's not that much wet, so I think it's done. So we'll taste it, and I think it's good, right? Okay, this was the video. I tried to explain what I learned and how does it work. You can call it a review video, or you can call it how does a Gourmia air fryer work video. It's done. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe, and that's it. Thank you very much.